Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial for Dokotoo. Today I will be showing you how you can generate a gift card for Dokotoo. First, let's go onto the easygiftcards.com/Dokotoo. Here choose the gift card size, click on the generate gift card, and now it will start generating a free gift card for the Dokotoo. Just wait here for a moment until your free gift card has been generated. This can take a while, so just be patient and wait for a moment here. Now it's verifying the gift card code, and now it will ask you to complete the user validation. So this is just a process to make sure only real users are using this generator. I will click on the I'm not a robot to continue. Then I will just copy this code, go back to the Dokotoo, and on the Dokotoo I will just go to the addresses. You can of course pick anything you want. I will just pick one item here just to show you how this works. And let's say we want this address. Let's add it to the cart. And now we are on the shopping cart. Then let's click on the checkout. And here on the checkout page, you can just apply your code. So just paste in your code here. So make sure you have your code from the gift, then click apply, and now it will apply your code, so it will show you the discount and it will show you the total price here. Thanks everyone for watching my tutorial for a free gift code for Dokotoo.